The AV Revolution is a DSP processor, and it's great for applications like boardrooms, lecture theatres, or room combining situations. It has a very comprehensive onboard DSP. It has 4 mic line inputs and 6 stereo inputs, which are routable to 5 zones. We can also third-party control AV Revolution via Crestron or AMX. We can also control it via a DSP GUI, or we can also control it via our ICOM wall panel. So a quick run through the DSP GUI for the AV Revolution. You can see we have our 4 mic line inputs here. We have our 6 stereo line inputs. The end user can actually use this graphical user interface to either control our volumes. We can also mute or unmute inputs. And as you can see, we also get a visual representation of the actual signal volume that's coming in. We can actually go to an advanced tab if you're the engineer setting up the device. It's very, very easy to program. And that advanced tab is actually password protectable, so the end user can't get into the nuts and bolts of the software. Again, we can start setting up our minimum and our maximum volume levels. We can also go and actually control our DSP either by programming our mic line inputs or our stereo inputs. We also have comprehensive EQ on each input. We also have dynamics control, things like compressors, or we can also set up AGCs on our input, as well as noise gates. On our output zones, which we have 5 output zones, we have 3 stereo zones and 2 mono zones. We have, again, a very comprehensive EQ with our crossover section here, where we can choose what type of crossover we want, whether it's high pass, low pass, what type of slope, etc. And then we have a low shelf, a high shelf, and 4 bands of parametric EQ. We also have a limiter on our output, delay, and then our digital trim on our output. From this panel, we can also set up our control panels, which we can actually program up to 240 ICOM control panels if we wish. We also have a very comprehensive master override section in the software. And we can also program 8 global presets, which each of the preset looks at every knob, fader and button within the device to create that preset.